Hello viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel, Top 5 Hunter. We are coming up with another great video for the top 5 best air fryers tested by Food Network Kitchen right now. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and turn on notifications so that you never miss a new video. Number 1. COSORI Air Fryer Oven. Stress-free cooking. Meet the Pro 5.8-quart air fryer, the highly efficient tool that brings healthier fried flavors to your countertop. Perfect result: an NTC sensor sends accurate information to the air fryer, which automatically adjusts temperatures to keep fluctuations under 5 degF for evenly cooked meals. One-touch cooking. Choose from 13 convenient cooking functions with a single touch, each finely tuned by COSORI chefs to produce the tastiest results. You can also choose your preferred temperature and time for your recipes. Large capacity. The air fryer's spacious 5.8-quart square baskets can fit a whole 5-pound chicken. Additionally, the corner spaces provide more cooking capacity and flexibility than round designs. Cook the perfect amount of food for 3-5 people in one go. 100 included recipes. Find inspiration for every meal with 100 original, COSORI chef-created recipes that include size, cook time, and temperature. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 2. Instant Pot Duo Crisp XL Air Fryer Oven. 11-in-1 functionality: air fry, roast, bake, dehydrate, pressure cook, slow cook, rice cooker, yogurt maker, steamer, saute pan, yogurt maker, sterilizer, and food warmer. The Instant Pot that air fries, from the makers of the best-selling Duo series, comes a pressure cooker and air fryer combo with 2 convenient removable lids. Even crisp technology. The included air fryer lid delivers all the crunch and tenderness of deep frying with 95% less oil. Quick one-touch cooking. 11 customizable smart programs for air frying, pressure cooking ribs, soups, beans, rice, poultry, yogurt, desserts, and more. Temperature. Customizable temperature range of 105 degrees Fahrenheit, 41 degrees Celsius, to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 201 degrees Fahrenheit for air frying lid. Versatile inner cooking pot. Food-grade stainless steel cooking pot with a tri-ply bottom offers more even cooking and an anti-spin design that secures the pot for perfect sautéing. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 3. Instant Pot Vortex Plus Air Fryer Oven. The Instant Vortex TM air fryer is perfect for creating quick and delicious meals. With even crisp TM technology, you'll get crispy, tender results every time. The size is perfect. Big enough for growing families, but compact enough to fit any size kitchen. Built-in smart cooking programs make it simple to use, with customizable programs for easy cooking and overheat protection. TM for safety. Fast, versatile, and convenient, so you can make all your favorite fried foods with less oil and no mess. The Vortex offers the quality, convenience, and versatility you've come to expect from Instant. Discover amazing 6-in-1 functionality: air fry, broil, roast, dehydrate, bake, and reheat. One-touch smart programs. Customizable cooking programs for easy chicken wings, roasted veggies, cinnamon buns, and more. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 4. Dash Name Compact Air Fryer Oven Cooker. Compact air fryers enjoy the indulgence of crispy fried foods without the guilt. The Dash Compact Air Fryer uses air crisp technology and a rapid air circulation system to quickly crisp your ingredients while eliminating extra calories from added oil. Use 80% less oil when you cook in the Dash Compact Air Fryer while enjoying equally delicious and healthy results. Air crisp technology and a rapid air circulation system fries ingredients without oil, resulting in delicious food with no extra calories. 30-minute timer shuts off automatically, eliminating the possibility of overcooking or burning. Non-stick basket cleans easily with no extra mess. Easy to read temperature dial and timer for convenient control. 2 QT capacity is perfect for portion control and individual servings. Cool touch housing and handle. Non-slip feet for stability. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 5. Ninja DZ201 Air Fryer Oven. 2 independent baskets. The original air fryer with 2 independent baskets. The XL Air Fryer lets you cook 2 foods, 2 ways, at the same time, eliminating back-to-back cooking like a traditional single-basket air fryer. Smart Finish and Match Cook. Dual Zone technology allows you to choose between the Smart Finish feature, which unlocks cooking 2 foods 2 ways that finish at the same time, and the Match Cook button to easily copy settings across zones for full AQT capacity. 6-in-1 functionality includes 6 versatile cooking programs: air fry, air broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. XL capacity. The 8-quart air fryer capacity lets you fit mains and sides at the same time for making quick family meals, or up to 4 pounds of French fries or chicken wings. 2 independent 4-quart zones have their cooking baskets, cyclonic fans, and rapid heaters. Easy cleaning, easy-to-clean baskets, and dishwasher-safe crisper plates. Please comment on which product you like the most. Let us know your opinion on the topic for our next video. We are done for today. See you again next time. Thank you.